Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan Alfredo sauce with cashews. Get ready to transform your meals with a truly incredible dairy-free delight. This sauce is wonderfully rich, incredibly creamy, and surprisingly easy to whip up. Whether you're vegan, dairy-free, or simply looking for a healthier option, this cashew-based Alfredo will quickly become a favorite. It's perfect for pasta, vegetables, or anything that needs a touch of creamy goodness. Let's dive in and create some magic. To begin our culinary adventure, let's gather our simple yet powerful ingredients. The star of our show is 1 cup of raw cashews. Soaking them beforehand makes for an extra smooth sauce. We'll also need 1 cup of your favorite unsweetened plant milk, 2 cloves of fresh garlic for a savory kick, and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast for that cheesy flavor. A squeeze of lemon juice brightens everything up, and of course, salt and pepper are crucial for perfect seasoning. Finally, a 1/4 cup of water helps achieve the ideal consistency. Now for the fun part, blending. First, make sure your soaked cashews are well drained. Then simply toss all your ingredients, the cashews, plant milk, garlic, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and water, into a high-speed blender. Blend on high for several minutes, scraping down the sides as needed until you achieve a perfectly smooth, luxurious, and creamy consistency. This might take about 2 to 3 minutes. Taste and adjust your seasonings if necessary, adding more salt or pepper to your liking. It's that easy. Congratulations! You've just created a magnificent vegan Alfredo sauce. Now it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. This sauce is absolutely perfect tossed with your favorite pasta, but don't stop there. Try it drizzled over steamed broccoli, roasted asparagus, or even as a creamy base for a pizza. For leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 or 4 days. When reheating, a little extra plant milk or water can help bring it back to its original creamy texture. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.